Today we learn alphabets. Now start. A. A for apple. Next B. B for ball. Next C. C for cat. A, B, C, D. D for dog. Next E. E for elephant. And F. F for fish. Next G. G for gun. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. H for hand. Next I say ice cream. And J. Next J. Here it is J. J for jug. H, I, J, K. K for kite. L for lion. J, K, L, M. M for monkey. M for monkey. And for next H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O. O for orange. Next P. P for parrot. Next Q. Q for queen. R. R for rose. Next S. S for sun. Next T. T for tree. Next U. U for umbrella. P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, U, V, T, W, W, V, W, X. X for Christmas tree. Next Y. Y for yak. And Z for zebra. So kids, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, bye-bye kids.